Hi, I'm Dr. Luigi Gratton with Herbalife Nutrition. Do you want to feel more energetic and manage your hunger while you're on your weight management program? If so, then I've got an exciting product to share with you called Total Control. It has a proprietary blend of green, black, and oolong teas, which provides antioxidant support, as well as caffeine, which stimulates your metabolism while helping you feel energetic and alert. Taking Total Control 1 to 3 times a day provides caffeine and can stimulate a process called Thermogenesis, which boosts metabolism, increases fat burning, and reduces appetite. This means feeling more energetic without extra calories. Use Total Control as part of a program including healthful eating and moderate exercise. We can't wait to hear about your results.